Hello guys, welcome. So here we discuss a grade 12 paper 2 investigation. Yes, even though I wrote assignment. Okay, so let's start at 1.1.1. Here we are given this diagram and then we are told to recreate angle ABC, meaning banyaga this angle, right? The whole B. So at level at this diagram guys, ne? B here is which one? Banyaga, this one is A, B, C. Or banyaga this, right? So a what a again ke y leng le x or sanzer adding y plus what plus x. So meaning what? Meaning our 1.1 is what? Angle ABC is being given by our angle ABC refacking ke y plus what plus x. So our 1.1 again ke y plus what plus x. Okay, we are moving 1.1.2. Okay guys, here I think I made a little mistake. So our 1.1.2 it should be 1.1.3. So this one sunset lemo and this one it lemo. So okay, so our 1.1.2 retro focus on 1.1.3. So this one sunset lemo and then this one sunset lemo. Okay, but let's move. Ne? Okay, here and then we are given that we must find H angle HFG, right? So meaning we should find which angle? We should find this angle here. This angle here, guys, right? So, but okay, our checker, what are we given? What are we given is that we are given for a more this whole angle A. Okay, kibuaka EFG. EFG is being given by what? By x. Get this whole x, right? Get this whole x. But EFG it's been given by what? By x, right? But EFG irage this angle plus this angle do fang EFG. So recloring EFH angle EFH plus also angle HFG, right? And then EFG yarnaging x, right? EFH yarnaging get this angle here get y plus HFG. So what can we do? Or we can take this to the other side and then change the sign, meaning x minus y is equals to HF what FG. So HFG here again is being given by what? By x minus y. So our answer here or HFG is being given by what? X minus y. That's the answer. So right now we're this one. I get already swapping. Okay. So it will be 1.1.3. Banyaga angle PQR. Okay, let's go. So banyaga which angle? Angle PQR. Or banyaga angle A. This whole angle PQR, right? So angle A x plus what? Plus x. So king is being given by what? Okay, x plus x again. So x plus x equals to what? Equals to 2x, right? So here gets what? It's 2x. Okay, yeah, one hala guys, sorry, it's 2x, right? Okay, let's move 1.2. So on 1.2 guys, refill this diagram, this Cartesian plane in a circle, and then we are told that we must use distance formula to show that PQ squared is equals to 2 minus 2 open bracket cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha and sine beta close bracket. Okay, and guys, it's directed that pari you must use the distance formula. You can use the cosine rule, it's okay, but bona barring use the distance formula, right? The instruction. So let's use the distance formula, guys. So I can go distance formula PQ squared is equals to what? PQ squared is equals to what? Is equals to what? Is equals to xp minus xq squared plus yp minus yq squared, right guys? So and then okay, where PQR now it's been given by what? XPR nagging. Okay, Right guys, let's check it. This one is going to be our x, and then this one is going to be our y. This one is going to be our x, this one is going to be what? Our y. Okay, so x ya rena keng ke cos alpha, so ra re tlo reng cos alpha minus q ya rena keng go ke a cos what? Cos beta. Ra tlo minus the cos of what? Of beta squared plus yp ya rena keng, yp ya rena keng ke the sine of alpha minus yq ya rena keng ke a ke the sine of what? Of beta, right? Squared. So okay guys, even though this one e ka tla tseya a lot of space, kopa re solveleng on some paper and then re lokeleng here, eh? So this can be same as what? As the cos of alpha minus the cos of what? Of beta. Because of ke squared guys, I get squared more, we can expand what? The bracket. Let's expand the bracket guys, let's expand the bracket, the cos of what? Of beta. So it will find the FOIL method. This one times this one alpha cos squared alpha, and then this one times this one alpha minus the cos of alpha times the cos of what? Of beta. Do you get what I'm saying? I get eventually this one. Let's solve this one. It will find minus the cos of beta, cos of what? Of alpha, right? And then negative cos beta times negative cos beta. It will find positive. Negative times negative is what? Is positive. You're going to get what? Cos squared of what? Oh, sorry, not alpha, beta, right? So guys, if you remember, so right now guys, our check we have cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta, right? Minus cos alpha cos beta minus cos alpha the cos what? The cos beta. Cos squared x plus cos squared beta. Cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta. Dear fun guys, if you remember very well from here, another the sine squared a plus another the sine squared a plus, right? And then renaling, and then the cos squared of a, it will 1. But if you can check very carefully, moge alpha, moge beta. So honor current at the end the alpha 1. Okay? But right now oral we know that we have cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta minus 2 the cos alpha the cos of what? Of beta. I can say that's one guys. Like times so already add minus 1 plus minus 1 guy minus 2. So what guys right or more this one or answer thinking it will for cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta minus 2 cos alpha cos what? Cos beta, right? Negirala for space guys, negirala for space. Okay, plus no sort of dilaga which one? Rodilaga this bracket. Okay, let's continue. So what are this bracket another the sign of what? Of alpha minus what? Beta, right? And then by square root, right? As you can see here guys, as you can see. So what are we do what? We expand the bracket, right? Kiona this one. I get this one guys. Okay, sorry guys, I'm being fast and pause. I'm trying to make this video a way, like it's cover longer, yes. So what again, or here we are given the sign of what? Of the sign alpha, open bracket, the sign alpha minus the sign beta, right? Squared. Get this one. So focus on what we're going to do, we're going to expand the bracket. Right? We have expanded the bracket. We're going to use FOIL method. This one times this one, sin squared alpha, and this one minus sin alpha, sin beta, right? And then Rawaling minus sin alpha again, sin beta is this one times this one, and then this one times this one alpha this one, and also this one times this one alpha this one, and then we are coming at this one times this one alpha sine squared beta, right? Meaning re tlo baleng re the sine squared alpha plus sine squared beta. This one get like terms, meaning we got minus 2 the sine of alpha, the sine of what? Of beta. You get what I'm saying, guys? So what I get the what? Get that entire thing. What I get plus what? Plus the sine of alpha plus sine square of alpha, sorry, and then also the sine square of what? Of beta, right? So, and then let the like terms, the final answer thing like terms are scalable king if minus 2 sine of alpha, the sine of what? Of beta, right? So okay guys, if you can check very carefully, and cos squared alpha less sine squared alpha. So here I that lot of for 1 harga either this one plus this one, you're fine 1. So we're right to the cos squared of alpha plus the sine squared of alpha. Give you a camera bracket to corner bona or gibuaka in, right? For 1. And also guys, okay, also if you can check cos squared beta, right? Okay, let me use this different pen, this one, okay, and also this one. That one. So I got also what? Plus cos squared beta plus sine squared beta, right? Okay, we then got those, and then more minus 2 cos alpha cos beta minus 2 sine alpha plus sine beta, right? Okay, so we can say minus 2 cos alpha cos beta minus 2 sine alpha sine beta, right? So what do you have here? The 1 also plus 1 minus 2 the cos of alpha, the cos of beta minus 2 the sine of alpha, the sine of what? Of beta. So 1 plus 1 is how much? It's 2, right? But if you can check here very carefully guys, another minus 2 the minus 2 answer is what? As a common factor. I can level this one very carefully, right? So regarding common factor negative minus 2, got the cos of alpha, the cos of what? Of beta. Because of it's a minus 2, more ka sere ke minus, right? Because re tlo busetsa morago re tlo minus santse or re tla re minus sabe santse reng santse re minus times positive different minus, but re minus times minus it tlo re fa positive. So mo santse be positive gore ha re tlo times e re busetsa morago what? Go negative. So the sine of what? Of alpha, the sine of what? Of beta, right? Okay. Oh, and I wasn't making. So we were told what to do. We were told to prove, to use the distance formula. Okay guys, here's the answer. We have proved. We have proved it, guys. Yes. So let's continue. Let's not waste time. Okay. So let's go to 1.3. So 1.3 guys, right? So at 1.3 we are told that we must use a distance formula to show that AB squared is equal to 2 minus 2 cos open bracket alpha minus what? Minus beta. So AB squared, this is what? This is 1.3. So let's focus on the circle AB squared, right? It's going to be what? It's going to be okay, right? So recurring xb minus xa squared plus yb minus ya squared, right? So the xb are again, if you can check very carefully guys, here this is our x and this is what? Our y. This is right, this is our x, this is our what? This is our y. So our xb are is what? Is the cos of minus xa are again we are given that is 1, right? So the square plus yb here again get the sine of is minus 0. So let's just, because it's 0 guys, 0 guys, right? So guys, again, gore ska tla ja too much space ha re solve go side. So ha re solve go side, you're going to get that, okay, it's cos a minus b minus 1 cos, yes, so it's going to be cos open bracket it's an angle. So at times it will find at times this one and this one, it will find the cos squared, right? And then that's this one at times minus 1, it will minus the cos again, and then that's this one at times this one, it will exactly what you got here, it will minus cos, right? And minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1, right? Yes. So we get our answer, meaning good cos, and let's add our like terms. Yes. And then so again our answer is what? Plus 1. So guys, this one it on over obvious, this one, right? Like I said, resolve like side thing, you know, to make up the space. It over in it over cos by square root, guys, right? If you are given something like x squared, it's going to be x squared, right guys? So here it will find, guys, it will find plus sine squared, right? So guys, I want you to remember, right? Do you remember, guys, the sine squared a plus the cos squared a is equals to what? Is equals to 1. So here angle is this one's, right? What one? So let's check this one. Check cos squared open bracket that I check our this our angle, and also if you can check this one getting our angle, right? So you get what, if you can add this one and this one, sanzo different 1, right? So rather look cos right, and then ling minus 2 the cos plus 1, this one are at the different 1 get plus 1a, and then minus 2, 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 the cos, right? So we were told to prove that, we were told